So the first dronie here is using the DJI Mavic Mini Pro. That's what's going here, and this is the max distance, which I think is like 300 and some feet. But you'll see how far away it gets and how tiny we look. The thing about this one though is it goes out, stops, and it doesn't record when it comes back. It just goes out. But I like that. That's kind of like what a dronie does. The next video is going to be the Dji Neo. It starts now. The Dji Neo, I think this goes out like 33 feet. I think that's what I had this set at. There's shorter ones, but 33 feet was enough. But at least it films coming out, and it will film coming back in. So that's all this was. Just a quickie. Two different comparisons of the distance that each can do.